This video is brought to you by Prime Fasteners, my favorite place to get tools, accessories, fasteners, everything I need for the job site. They have all the big brand names that I trust. They have their own line of pneumatic tools, so check them out at primefasteners.ca where they're totally job site. I'm here today with drywall professional T-Bar Terry, and that's just a little nickname that we have for him because he does drywall, steel stud, T-bar, everything that we need him to do. He's been in the industry 15, 16 years now, and I just want to introduce him to a new drywall adhesive made by a company called Titan. Now Titan actually makes like a window and door spray foam, drywall adhesive, foam adhesive, and subfloor adhesive. So I just want the drywallers out there to be aware that there is a better product, and I guess at the end of the day is why it's better. It adheres well. It's a collapsible foam, so it doesn't leave big globby chunks of PL that skin over too quick and make bulges in the wall and make the job worse. It adheres well, comes in a can, they're high yield. You can actually close the valve off on this gun, so it's not spewing PL and making a mess all over the place. So, and these cans out yield like 10-1. So it's faster, saves you time, saves money, right? So we're gonna introduce Terry to this today. He's actually holding the 36-inch wand. We use that for when we're laying down the subfloor, but if you wanted to, if you had some high walls, that gun's available. If you wanna just real easy reach, do it quick. Terry's just getting going on the walls here. So we can actually, like if you look around, you can see wood framing, you can see ICF exterior walls, and this product will work on all of it. So Terry's gonna try it out for the duration of this job. We're gonna do a few tests in the meantime. We're gonna make the video quick, and then at the end, we're just gonna do a review and see if he likes it and see what his thoughts are as a professional. So what I did is I did some candid video of Terry installing some of the board. Now the view and the angle isn't the greatest, but basically I just got a candid of him. He just did one bead of the drywall adhesive down the middle of this stud here, and we installed the drywall, we screwed the perimeter, one screw in the middle. That was for the top sheet. The bottom sheet, we just fastened, no adhesive. It's been a half an hour, so let's just let Terry pull the center screws out of each board. So there's the top one. And the bottom. And let's see how she works. All right, let's see how Terry made out. Let's see what this bottom's like. Okay, you can push on that, you can see the flex. Half an hour later, the Titan drywall adhesive, it's good to go. So according to what the can says, 15-minute cure time seems legit to me. Because Terry can board so quickly, I want to do this little mock-up test while he's working. Now, this is to test the drywall onto the exterior ICF. Now, just real quick background on that. This is how we've done it in the last 3 or 4 houses is, okay, so here's our snap ties. There's a snap tie here and one here. They're every 8-inch on center. Now what a snap tie is just a plastic webbing that holds the ICF block together while you're pouring concrete. But it's also there to attach drywall and siding and everything else to it. It's a built-in easy system. They're only 1.25 inches wide. So rather than trying to put a butt joint exactly over the center of a snap tie, I just tell the guys get it real close to center, halfway. So you can screw it on the ties or on the webs, and then the drywall's only really floating 4 inches. But that's where I want Terry to use the adhesive. Now, because the adhesive works so well on the wood, I don't want to put a chunk on the wall and then try to destroy it and then try to clean the wall back up just in order to board back over it again. So that's why I got this little test here. So let's give it a shot. All right, so I'm not going to use fasteners, obviously. Same type of foam, type 2 EPS. I installed this at 6:05 p.m. and we're 7:30 now. So it's just to squeak under an hour and a half. Let's see how well this performs. Well, it's ripping the foam apart and a little bit of the drywall. I would say that I would be satisfied with using the adhesive on the ICF foam, and especially the butt joints and how we're going to do those. Don't take it the wrong way. We're still going to use screws and fasteners to screw off the sheets to the ICF wall, but now we have confidence in the Titan product. Now I can just tell Terry, keep boarding, keep going, and at the end, we'll see what he thinks of it. So comparing adhesive to adhesive, is this an advantage to the industry?
Totally, Kode. I think it is a really good advantage. The other adhesives, they spill out. They work great, but I think this is just one up above it. The cans last way longer. We've done roughly 1,800 square feet of floor area plus a garage, and we've used 1.5 cans. So I think it works really good. It's easy to clean up, dries really quick. Not too quick, but it dries really quick. But yeah, I definitely think it's an advantage. I think it's cost effective, and yeah, I'll probably be using it in the future.
Perfect. Well, there you have it, folks. That's the professional opinion from Terry. And maybe don't even take our opinion. Try it out for yourself. Try it on your next job and see what you think. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or check us out on some of the following.